In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of enabling form detection for your projects hosted on Netlify. This powerful feature allows your static sites to handle form submissions without needing any server-side code or complex backend setups. To begin, you first need to log into your Netlify account and navigate to your main dashboard. Once you are there, look through your list of sites and select the specific project where you want to collect user data. After you have clicked on your project, take a look at the top navigation menu and find the tab labeled Forms. Clicking this will bring you to the main interface for managing all your data collection settings. If you have not used this feature before, you should see a clear section dedicated to setup. Here, you will find the option to enable form detection for your site. By toggling this on, Netlify will automatically scan your deployed HTML files for any form tags that contain a specific attribute. It is important to remember that for this to work correctly, your HTML form must include either a Netlify attribute or a data Netlify equals true attribute within the opening tag. This simple change allows the Netlify bots to recognize your forms during the build process and prepare them to receive entries. Once you have enabled this setting and updated your code, every submission sent through your website will be captured and stored securely in your dashboard. You can even set up email notifications or webhooks to alert you whenever a new person reaches out. Thank you for watching this quick guide, and I hope it helps you gather insights from your visitors more effectively.